Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make shea butter oil. We all know the importance of shea butter on the skin and the hair. So today, I'll be sharing how to make shea butter oil in simple ways. First off, you get your shea butter in its original form, in its raw form. You see how it is in this video? Exactly, that is how your shea butter would be. Make sure you get the original shea butter. Don't get the adulterated one. So I'm going to pass my shea butter into this plastic. After doing that, I'm going to boil some water. After the water has come to a boil, I'm going to place the shea butter into the hot water. Meanwhile, remember to turn off the heat. This time I have turned off the heat. I only placed the shea butter in the already boiled water. As you can notice, the butter is getting melted already because of the warmth of the hot water below it. You can see we are getting our shea butter oil already. So you can get your shea butter oil with this simple process. Get your original shea butter, put some water to a boil, place the shea butter in a container, then place it into the hot water, then it gets melted. Just that simple. Our shea butter oil is ready. So now I'm going to just pass the oil into a container. And that is it. Please remember to keep in a warm place. If not, it's going to go back to its solid form. Keep in a warm place. If you keep in a cool place, it will get solid again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment. Bye.